Diabetic neuropathy is a common chronic complication of diabetes. It's nerve damage caused by prolonged high blood sugar levels. Poorly managed diabetes can affect nerves throughout the body, leading to diabetic neuropathy. Note, not all diabetics develop this. Each case has unique causes and factors. Good blood sugar control and a healthy lifestyle are crucial. Check the video description and first comment for upcoming workshop dates. This alternative therapy doesn't replace professional medical care. If you experience any symptoms, rate your discomfort level from 1 to 10 before starting this exercise. 10 is the highest possible level, and 1 is barely noticeable. After finishing, measure again to see if your discomfort level has decreased or remains the same. You may want to listen more than once if the symptom persists. Let's distinguish between symptoms of peripheral neuropathy and those of autonomic neuropathy. We'll clear weaknesses between them to zero, balance, and stabilize them completely over time. We'll erase all misconceptions about this condition, your experience with it, and its symptoms. We clear your issues and others, erasing memories of similar illnesses, physical traumas, birth defects, recurring injuries, surgical, dental, chemical impact, and stress-related traumas, as well as non-physical, mental, and spiritual traumas. We remove physical limitations from birth, accidents, or illness, and erase physical limitations due to religious, cultural, ancestral, collective, and other influences. We eliminate curses and karmas, as well as fears and phobias linked to current discomfort. We clear everything that's yours and not yours from this life and others in your conscious, unconscious, and subconscious mind. We erase all traces, remnants, and impressions to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen the central nervous system, spine, sacrum, coccyx, and tail, making them tense and relax continuously and regularly, empowering them to execute changes, and powerful to eliminate resistance to improvement, resistance to being free from pain, sorrow, and discomfort. We erase all guilt tied to this discomfort and pain and remove the mind from this discomfort, pain, sensation, tingling, numbness, and all its cumulative effects. We eliminate wrong questions, incorrect answers, and unanswered questions. We remove the cumulative effect of all this and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, space-time, dark matter, and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. We'll erase the built-up energy of everything that hurts you in life, all that bothers you in your present, past, and future. We erase distorted, exaggerated, and intensified interpretations of your own experiences. We erase it from you, your ancestors, and descendants in this life and others. We erase memories of dying from immunization, painful infections, accidents with limb loss, and all deaths experienced with intense physical pain in you, your ancestors, and descendants of this and other lives. We strengthen the reproductive system, the respiratory system, and the digestive system. We separate their weaknesses and erase them to zero minus infinity 100% of the time within finite time. We align them to be centered, balanced, and stable, boosting their physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination. We remove memories of poisoning, food-related illnesses, homelessness, and choking incidents. We erase your experiences, actions you did or ordered for others, and things you saw or heard others go through. We'll disconnect pain from various postures, standing, sitting, lying down, or moving. We erase these links to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, indefinitely. We remove feelings, beliefs, and thoughts about lacking control over your body, like erectile issues, loss of interest, cognitive decline, and more. Let's separate all the symptoms you're experiencing. We erase the cumulative effect of past experiences and their emotional impact. 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll strengthen the regeneration of the myelin sheath. We integrate the connection of muscles with nerves and nerves with blood vessels. We integrate the connection of nerves with energy and lymphatic systems. We strengthen neuromuscular, neurovascular, and neurolymphatic connections, neuroenergetic and neuroepithelial junctions, and reinforce brain structures, including the cortex, brainstem, cranial nerves, spinal cord, and cerebellum, as well as the hippocampus, nuclei, cerebrospinal fluid, gut-brain axis, microbiome, motor and sensory centers, and key glands. We strengthen all this 100% with infinite potential for infinite time. We enhance strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination in each of these joints. We'll integrate the 12 pairs of cranial nerves, left and right spinal nerves, nerve cell bodies, axons, dendrites, synapses, and myelin sheaths. We integrate the cerebral cortex, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and sensory motor center. All integrations are performed from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We erase the cumulative effect of feeling incapable, clumsy, unsuccessful, and unaccomplished, of having no achievements, feeling unattractive, sexually inadequate, having a poor self-image, discomfort with others, lack of self-confidence, inflexibility, and stubbornness. Feeling judged, insecure, self-critical, and prone to self-harm, distrusting intimacy in others, feeling inadequate and unable to meet high expectations, needing to manipulate, disliking or rejecting responsibility, independence, and experiencing or inflicting abuse. We erase all these effects to 0 infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen the lymphatic system, channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and glands. We boost detoxification of viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, waste, and dead cells. We send this to the lymphatic system, clearing physical, mental, and spiritual blockages. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time infinitely, We separate focal neuropathy from proximal neuropathy. We isolate nerve groups affected by focal neuropathy. We eliminate emotions, sensations of weakness, pain, discomfort, and irritability in specific areas. We eliminate feelings of stagnation, leg weakness, and walking difficulties. We remove all conscious and unconscious limitations your body has chosen. We eliminate the cumulative effect of repressing, denying, forgetting, and evading pain, both physically and mentally. We remove resistance to pain, fear of pain, and erase memories of intense physical pain experienced, inflicted, witnessed, heard, or ordered. We separate motor and sensory nerve effects, erase weakness in both, and reconnect the central nervous system bidirectionally. We will separate the peripheral nerves that transmit signals between the brain and spinal cord to the body, increasing space between them, reducing. We reduce inflammation, lower histamine, raise antihistamine, and balance everything to be centered, stable, and strong, boosting physical potential. We'll eliminate the buildup of high blood sugar and the cumulative effects of diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and an unhealthy lifestyle. Will erase the impact of devaluing oneself and mental confusion that chooses harm over benefit. Will remove denial, resistance to quitting harmful habits like a sedentary lifestyle, alcohol, smoking, processed foods, and refined carbs. Will clear out bad information and beliefs that this condition is purely hereditary, that pain is unavoidable, and the refusal to see how lifestyle affects this condition. Will remove the emotional toll of chronic pain. Frustration, anxiety, depression, negativity, hopelessness, and sadness. We eliminate these limitations, both physical and mental, caused by this condition. We erase the cumulative effect of lost mobility and function, as well as decreased adaptability. We're going to eliminate worries and fears about disease progression and the possibility of further complications. We remove the buildup and empower you to take charge of your health, boost self-care, self-awareness, and self-regulation. We erase the accumulated impact this condition has had on your relationships. We separate emotions, sensations, and reactions, balancing them to be centered, steady, and stable. We strengthen neutrality, removed or not, improved or not, worsened or not. Strong and neutral for all positive or negative outcomes, we will strengthen you. The internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of all geometries we've addressed here, and yours at 100% with infinite potential, all the time infinitely. We erase all weaknesses and everything that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks you from releasing and eliminating pain and discomfort to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We restart, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Now measure the level of impact again. At this moment, what number is it at? Is it the same or different?